The arrowhead plant, also known as Syngonium podophyllum, can either climb or hang depending on how you care for it. If it is climbing, providing a vertical support like moss pole, trellis, or wall, the plant will naturally grow upward, sending out long, winding stems that cling to the support. As climbs, the plant tend to develop larger, more mature leaves. If you're planning to hanging, you grow it in a hanging basket or allow the stem to trail. It will make one or more cascade hanging forms. The leaves may stay smaller and more compact in this arrangement. The arrowhead plant is pretty versatile, so the choice between climbing and hanging depending on your desired look and the space you have available.